Hey there friends, in this video I'm going to show you how you can set up the auto delete messages feature in Telegram. So I've got a Telegram chat box right here with my contact, and to set up the auto delete feature all I have to do is click on the contact's name here at the top, and it opens up a small window. Then here I'm going to click on more, and I'm going to click on auto delete. So this sets it so that every message I sent will have a self-destruct timer that will automatically delete everything within the after the set amount of time has passed. So let's say I'm talking about something confidential and highly sensitive. I am going to set this to 2 days. I'm going to click on save, and now messages in this chat will automatically be deleted after 2 days. So I can send something like test message, and after 2 days, this message will be deleted. If I want to turn it off, all I have to do is go back to that same window, click on auto delete again, and click on disable at the bottom left. So here you can see I disabled the auto delete timer. Another thing you can do is set it so that you are unable to forward messages. So anything sent in this conversation will remain in this conversation. You can do so by clicking on more again and clicking on disable sharing. So doing so will should enable this feature, although right now it's locked behind the Telegram Premium subscription. So I hope I was able to teach you something new and something useful, and as always, thank you for watching.